Do you also want to learn how to create a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools? If yes, then this video will be life-changing for you, because in this video I will guide you step by step to create your own YouTube automation agency. First of all, you should know why people build such channels. The thing is that no one wants to work non-stop on YouTube. They want, once they have monetized their channel, then they will hire someone who will make videos for them, so they can just sit back and enjoy the money. Alright, first things first, let's understand what AI automation is all about. Think of it as having your personal creative sidekick. AI can handle those repetitive and time-consuming tasks, leaving you with more time to focus on what you love. So, our video is divided into 7 steps that cover everything from choosing the niche of your channel to thumbnail creation. Let's break it down and take your YouTube game to the next level. The first step is to decide on our niche, that one topic or theme that our channel will revolve around. This is the most important step of creating our channel. So listen closely. Before jumping into a niche, we need to consider a few things. First and most important thing is that we want a niche where we can easily create searchable content. This way, we'll have a ready and engaged audience. If you're having trouble finding the perfect niche, you can simply ask ChatGPT to help you out. Just specify in the prompt that you want to create searchable content. And you can also specify your interests, so you'll be presented with numerous niche options tailored to your interests. If you don't like the results, you can ask ChatGPT to generate more ideas until you find the best results. For our example channel, we'll create a niche around explaining business models of different companies, like Amazon, WhatsApp, and others. This niche ticks all the right boxes. It's interesting, in demand, and has plenty of room for creativity. Alright, step 2 in creating our YouTube channel is topic research, finding those trending topics in our chosen niche. You might be wondering, how can I find the trending topics in my niche? For this I will share 2 strategies with you. The first golden rule is to stay active on social media. Yup, it's as simple as that. Social media is like the treasure trove of trending topics. Keep an eye on hashtags, discussions, and posts related to your niche. They can be your best source of inspiration. Another brilliant way to stay in the loop is by following other channels in your niche. These creators are your allies, not competitors. Watch their content, engage with their audience, and you'll gain valuable insights into what's trending. Now, let me give you a real-life example. As you know about the controversy between Threads and Twitter, Threads is the new platform that's been called the exact copy of Twitter. So it's the right time to create the video explaining the business model of Threads. See how simple it is to find trending topics when you're actively involved in your niche. Alright, it's time for step 3, generating the script. Now that we have our trending topic, we want to create a script that's not just informative but also engaging and authentic. For this we will use ChatGPT. First of all, let's write a detailed prompt. We will explain the theme and main focus of our video, but we also need to be specific about the tone we're going for. We want our script to be natural sounding, informal, and captivating. Now, here's a crucial tip. If we don't specify the tone and style in the prompt, we might end up with robotic results. And we definitely don't want that, because it could lead to less audience retention. We want our viewers to stay hooked from start to finish. See, the results are quite impressive. Once we have our script, it's time to give it a personal touch, so that your audience can connect with you. The fourth step in our video creation journey is generating the audio. We want our video to have a captivating and engaging voiceover, and for that, we'll be using an AI tool called 11 Labs. Of course, you can also explore other tools like Murph.ai, but for this example, we will use 11 Labs. Once you open 11 Labs, you will see this type of interface. Here you will have a lot of voice options. You can listen to these voices and select one that best suits your needs. But here's the best part, you have the power to customize the voice to make it truly your own. Once you have selected the voice, it's time to paste the script we had generated earlier using ChatGPT. After this, just click on Generate, and your audio will be ready in a few seconds. Now you just have to click on the download button and your audio will be saved to your device. Alright, here comes step number 5, getting the stock footage. As we don't want to show our face in our videos, so it's important to get the relevant stock footage for our video. For this we will be using the 2 websites, Pexels and Pixabay, because they're a goldmine of high-quality stock footage that we can use to enhance our video. On these websites you can find any type of stock footage, whether it is related to tech or entertainment. Now let's find the perfect stock footage related to Twitter for our example video. With a simple search, we'll be flooded with options that'll complement our content beautifully. Now let's talk about images and vectors that can really enhance the quality of our videos. For the images we use websites like Freepik, and the best part is that this website is absolutely free, and it has high-quality images which you can use freely on thumbnail and in your videos, without facing any copyright claim. Step number 6 is assembling the video. This is where all the elements we've gathered, the audio, stock footage, and images, come together to create our masterpiece. Now if you want to edit online, you can use CapCut because it is absolutely free, and you can use it without installing it into your PC. But for our example, I'll be using Premiere Pro, because I have already installed it. First of all, you have to add the stock footage we had gathered earlier. Next up, we add our AI-generated voiceover. This is the moment our video truly comes alive. Note that your stock footage should match the audio. Now you have to add the text where needed, and also you can overlay images to enhance your video. But note that the images should be relevant to the audio.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Twitter and uncovering the secrets behind its business model.
Once your editing is completed, add the background music and adjust its volume. Note that the volume of the music should be less, so that your audio can be clear. If you want this type of music, open your YouTube Studio and then on the left panel click on the audio library. Here you will be presented with the numerous options. You can download one of them from here. Once your editing is completed, just export it, and your video is ready to blow on YouTube. The 7th and the final step of our video creation journey is making the thumbnail. As you know, the thumbnail is like the gateway to your video, and it plays a key role in hooking viewers to click and watch. So, let's make it eye-catching and irresistible. To create our stunning thumbnail, we'll be using the Canva. It's a user-friendly platform with a plethora of options to make your thumbnail unique. Once you open Canva, on the right side click on Create a Design. Here you will see a lot of options. Just click on Thumbnail and you will be presented with the blank page. On the left side you will see a lot of templates. You can select one of them, or you can also search for the template according to your needs. Now let's customize the text to give our thumbnail a personalized touch. You can add your video title, catchy phrases, and anything that sparks curiosity. You can also search through the different elements to make your thumbnail more engaging and relative to your video. Once you are satisfied with the design, you can download it by clicking here, and you are ready to upload your video. Before we wrap up, there's something important I want to share with you. If you're looking to build your YouTube automation agency and take your channel to new heights, it's essential to put in the effort yourself. While AI tools are incredible, they're not a magic wand that can do everything on their own. Your channel's success depends on your dedication and the unique value you bring to your audience. Now, if you want to know, can AI channels be monetized? Then click the video on the right. Or, if you want to know about the top 15 hacks of ChatGPT, then click the video on the left.